Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G 5G for AT&T Prepaid. So the Moto G 5G is now here at AT&T Prepaid. This is a budget smartphone. It's new to AT&T Prepaid, but this phone's been out for like several months now. So this is not a new phone by any means, but it's new to AT&T Prepaid. So anyways, it's available now in Moonlight Gray there, 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's $29.99. Full retail price $219.99. Alright. So there's the Moto G 5G. Main selling point of the phone that has 5G on it. Of course, you guys got your front facing camera there. I don't know if it's teardrop notch or whole points. I can't tell because there's a dark background, so I can't really tell if it's a teardrop notch or a whole points. Probably teardrop notch. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Left side micro SD and SIM card slot somewhere in this area. I think right up here. On the bottom of the Moto G 5G is a headphone jack, which is very nice to see. Microphone, Type-C charging in your speaker, and keep in mind you will have a bit of a camera bump there on the back. Back of the Moto G 5G, triple camera system. Camera flash looks like dual LED flash. Your Motorola logo and whatnot. Right side power button, fingerprint sensor, volume keys. Left side micro SD and SIM card slot. Right side power button, fingerprint sensor, volume keys. On the top of the Moto G 5G is your noise cancellation microphone. There's the right side power button, volume keys, front and back, and I think that is it apparently. Alright, so yeah. Features: says here upgrade to the super fast speed with Moto G 5G and get lightning fast 5G connectivity, plus discover new ways to tell your story with a 50 megapixel camera system. Move up to the next generation with Moto G 5G. Alright. I know why you can't close that, but it's kind of stupid. Videos and images. I showed you guys some images of the phone. You guys will see left side, bottom, back, the sides, right side, left side, the top, the right, front, back, left side, right side, front, back, and back again. Specs. Specs on here are pretty good for what it is. Not bad budget 5G phone here. So you guys have fast and fluid 6.5 inch HD plus 90Hz display, which is very nice. Up to 2 days battery life, 64 gigabytes of storage, water repellent design. So your Moto G 5G is not waterproof, so don't submerge your phone in water. But if you do get a little bit of water on your phone, you should be fine. Dimensions on the Moto G 5G is 6.5 inches height, 2.98 inches width, and 0.37 inches depth. Moto G 5G weighs 7.21 ounces. Display 6.5 inches. HD plus IPS display, 20:9 aspect ratio, so that it does have a teardrop notch. 90Hz display, 720x1600 pixel resolution, 16.7 million colors, camera and video. You do get 3 cameras on the back, 50 megapixel main camera with the f1.8 aperture lens autofocus, 2 megapixel macro camera with the f2.4 aperture, then 2 megapixel, I'm guessing depth camera with the f2.4 aperture as well. Video capture, rear camera with this 50 megapixel, Full HD at 30. The macro camera can record at 720p at 30 frames. Front camera, Full HD at 30. Video playback, pretty much the same thing. 13 megapixel front facing camera with the f2.2 aperture lens. Battery, 5000 mAh battery. It's not removable, of course, pretty much standard. 47 hours of talk time, 15.8 days of standby time. Audio playback via speaker, 50 hours. Via headset, 120 hours. It does have fast charging. Time to charge to 50% is 47 minutes. Time to charge to 100% is 135 minutes. It has a MediaTek processor. It's octa-core. Memory, 64 gigabytes of internal memory. Micro SD expansion up to 1 terabyte, so take advantage of that. 4 gigabytes of RAM, not too bad. Android 12. So it should get Android 13 if it hasn't gotten it already. Like I said, this is not a new phone by any means. It's been out for 7 months now, so I'm sure it's on the Android 12 still. It should get Android 13 at some point. I'll say why not. Wireless technology, of course, you do have 5G. There's the 5G bands. You do get 4G LTE as well. There's your 4G LTE bands. 4G. You have a 4G HSPA Plus, which I'm surprised that's still a thing. 3G, GSM, Warphone, quad band, AC voice, Wi-Fi calling, video call, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity, 802.11, APGN, AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, low energy mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, noise suppression, wireless emergency alerts, nano SIM card. Your sensors are accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint, which is your power button, gyroscopes, proximity, and SAR. I don't know what that is. Messaging and email there. Music is YouTube Music player. That's your music player is YouTube Music. Supporting music formats there. Accessibility, sustainability there. Product codes and stuff like that. What comes in the box is your quick start guide, charging brick, which is nice to see. Type-C cable, probably USB-A to USB-C, and SIM ejection tool for the phone, and that's pretty much it in the box. Nothing special in the box. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto G 5G is now here at AT&T prepaid for $109.99. Full retail price $219.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone on AT&T prepaid, the Moto G 5G is worth taking a look at here. The specs on here are pretty decent for what it is, a budget 5G phone. So if you don't really, if you guys just want like a backup phone or whatever, the Moto G 5G is a very nice looking phone. And yeah, it does have a 90Hz refresh rate, which is nice. So check it out. It's a very nice looking phone, pretty decent specs for what it is. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.